Hello guys, in this video we will show you the money that we use here in Tajikistan. The first one, yak dirham, 1 dirham, yak samoni, 1 samoni, and this one yak samoni as well. Okay, yak dirham, 1 dirham, we don't use them anymore, but we use coins instead. And 100 dirham will be yak samoni. Alright, so let's talk about the ones that we don't use anymore. You already know about yak dirham, 1 dirham. This one is 5 dirham, 5 dirhams, 20 dirham, 20 dirhams, and 50 dirhams. Alright, let me show you the money that we still use today. This is yak samoni, 1 samoni. However though, you will not see them around much. We use coins instead. So 1 samoni and 3 samoni, we don't use them much today. Alright, and this one is 5 samoni. Okay, they are some famous people who have made big contribution to the nation's life. 10 samoni, 10 samoni, 20, 50. So this is 100 samoni. This guy's name is Ismail Samani. So our money is named after his name, surname. Alright, 200 samoni, Dusat samoni. And the last one, 500 samoni. That's the biggest one. And let's compare it with 100 US dollars. So the size is, as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, so $100 now is worth about 1,200 samoni. Oh. Yes, 1,200 samoni. Alright, let me show you some coins. This one, the tiny one, yak dirham. We don't use them at all. Yeah, and you can't buy anything for yak dirham. And this one is 5 dirhams, 10, 20, 25, and 50. You can buy chewing gum for 20 dirhams. Very cheap one. Yeah. Yeah, you better buy the one for 25 or 50. One samoni. Okay. And this one is 1 samoni, different hats. But the tails pretty much the same. Okay. 1 samoni, 3 samoni, and 5 samoni. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys, and if you have any questions, you can send us an email or just text us. You can find them in the description down below. Until next time, bye bye.